Joy the rat, Joy the loser, Joy the pigeon, rat, sneeze. Okay, real quick, I forgot to mention. You have said, and I quote, if you see me or whoever else, you're going to slap me, right? You said you're going to slap the piss out of me. And then you said you're going to, before that, you said you're going to put hands on me or whoever else, right? I want you to remember all this, okay? You said you are you worldwide, and everybody know it. Everybody knows straight fire is impossible. That the album is terrible. Stop calling it an album. I don't call going through people's beats and lyrics and taking it and then taking their lyrics and just putting it in your voice called a record. I call that like a rec league for rappers. That's what you are. You're that person that literally that thinks you're a rapper, but everybody and mama know you're not. And they think you ain't taking it serious, but you try to take it serious. And they know you terrible. So, I don't understand you, bro. When you say you went worldwide, because you got fans worldwide, and you too good. You get the best CD out, album out. You got the best because you got fans all around the world. So let me understand this then. Why are you faking fans then? Why you have to fake them? Period. If you got so many fans, your album is so great, every last one of them, but you still have to fake having fans. So, how does that work? I mean, do you say you got the money, or you say you got this? How do it work, bro? Like, 'cause, I mean, you gotta be kind of low, right, to be faking fans. You must feel like you didn't have no fans, because if you did, you wouldn't have faked them. So, once again, I'm asking you again. You said if you see me, you going to put hands on me. Right. So, the reason why I'm saying this is because this. You talk it, but I'm going to walk it. Because, fag boy, I have been asking you to put up or shut up. You still haven't done nothing remotely of a dude that has a backbone, a dude that's ready to fight somebody. No, you're that person that looks like people who have to run out of your little gimmicky loserness fake fans you got going. You are just so pathetic of a human being, and you just keep on digging it deeper. All you doing, bro. So I'm gonna leave you on that note. But once again, bro, stop lying so much, bro. I never seen a dude go worldwide but still got a fake 2 fans. You got a fake having 2 fans, but you worldwide. Yeah. Yeah, you are something else. Something else that's good and terrible.